Hello everybody, and welcome back, and it is Brooke. Guess what? It doesn't say Brooke up there! You wanna know why? Because I'm starting a new account. I didn't pick this name. It was meant to be Brooklyn, Star Water, but I guess we're pulling polarly. Alright, so let's start from the beginning. Alright, let's speak to Justin. Yes, I'm Pauline. Noticed me. Notice me or else. I can mount my horse. Meow. Oh, we can walk. Go. Oh, hello, Meow. Alright, now let's walk. Trot. Trotty, 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 trot, trot, trot. Trying to tap man. I am the best looking noob out here. Yep. Okay, let me go quickly do something. Okay, so, I forgot how to verify my email, so I'm gonna have to ask one of my friends to do it. So we'll get to that later. Now, let's keep doing this. I know you. You don't talk that much. I don't know why you don't talk that much, but still. So, yeah. See, I can already gallop, bro. Yes. Wait, you have? Ew. Widow. Creeper. I shouldn't be doing that. But still. But still, whatever. I don't care. We will be fabulous. Yeah, that's got to be a personal record. Oh, level 2. I am level. It has a jumping lesson, and you don't need to be Star Rider. This is. Hallelujah. I am very triggered by this. I had to buy Star Rider just so I could jump, and now you don't even need to jump. Like, you kidding me? I feel like noobs don't even know how to do this. Noobs mean new player, I ain't bullying. My horse, though, got spaghetti legs. I know, I did do great. I don't know about the horse, though. I'm just joking. Dedication, you know? Gonna have that dedication. Yep. So, I have to tell you for another thing. So this account will be for when the new horses come out. If they're not an owner, which then I've seen a couple of the Frezzies. I hope they come out soon, but I don't have enough Star Coins to buy them on Brookpuppet. So let's just hope that I can maybe get Star Rider, and let's just hope any new, like, thingy-majiggies come out, will be able to buy them. Now, the Lusitano is a horse I absolutely want. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be letting myself buy one horse. I'm joking, I'm not. I'm just going to be having this account for updates and everything. When I get chat banned, I can level this account up. So let's just hope this will be good. Charlotte, move. get nothing for this? Last time you've changed. Let's see what she had posted. So I just went quiet. I'm sorry. Yeah, so I have pretty good things for this old account. I'll also be making a video where I'm going to ask other club members, hoping it's not the club owner, and we're going to be asking to see what they think and if they would recommend their club. Yeah, it's just for fun. I'm not trying to be mean to anyone. It's literally just fun, so we'll be okay. Just don't get too friendly with him, he's mine. Alright, no one wants you stupid, ugly Justin. He's ugly anyway. He tries to look cute, but he's not. It's fucking ugly. So let's keep going. I'm gonna come back. And we halted. I don't know why. This outfit does not go. I am getting super annoyed with this. I think I'm 60 over shorts. I need to do my chores. I need to do my chores and my quests. You were looking for me, you gross human being. How dare you look for me? I didn't give you permission to, so I don't know what you're doing. I'm just ranting right now. Yep. That's just me. Alright. I know how to do this, I'm not dumb. I've done it before. Jeez, like. Yep. Don't show this message again. The horse is enjoying that brush. Yum 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 yum. Yum yum yum. Hoof picking. Hoof picking. Hoof picking. Hoof. I don't want you in my journal. You ugly fugly. Like, seriously. But that's okay. I don't like you anyway. Alright, let's call Hannah and see if she revives. Sorry, that's cute. Shouldn't the stable owner be literally meeting me first? But we'll be okay with that. Oh, she's not. What's sad? It's called Pink Force then. Called Pink Force then. Come and help me. Why is that black and pink? Or pink and black? Same thing. Yeah, I don't care. I love this Ringo. I don't like you. Oh, damn! You're old. You're old, man. You're old. You're old. I mean, like, you look like you're 67. Like, you look like you're 67. And you're 57? Damn. I always win, so. Plus this G, people don't win, so we're okay. Yes, I know what it means, but thank you. Thank you for your advice. That doesn't help. None of them are picking up. This is just sad. This is just sad. This is just very, very sad. I had to turn off 1 out of 10 last time. I had to turn off 10. Let's see how Fee's going with her book. Not doing anything. Yeah, I'm not doing anything. You know, just walking along. Yeah. You move. You move. I need to turn this off. I need to turn this off. Oh, he's blind. Oh, there's another one. I'm not doing anything. Is he looking? Is he looking? He's looking. We'll go over this one. We'll go over this one. Probably am looking at this one. Probably looking. Oh, yes. Fiona Wintermountain! Hello! How's your book going?
1 second. What's up, Brooke?
I wanted to call you, and because I'm filming and I got bored. How's the book going?
It's good. Do you want me to read you some of it?
Read ahead.
Okay, I'll give you... I haven't written much yet. Ready? Okay, let's just start from...
Just start where you left off.
hard.
Start with the juicy.
Here, okay?
No, we'll start with the juicy bit, okay? I don't want to read the rest of
there's
it.
no juicy bits so far. Anyway.
Excuse me!
Shut up.
Okay.
Tilly, a young brunette, looked at her. Yeah, what's up? She grinned friendly. Ellis and Megan need you in the office. Oh, okay, thank you, she replied. yeah, no problem, she said worriedly. Tilly leaned her tails over the hitching post and tied her up quickly tied him up quickly before rushing toward the office. Okay, 1 second. She tucked her loose hair behind her ear. She knocked gently on the office door. Oh, Tilly, come in, said Elias. Is something wrong? A worried look came across her face as she looked at the notes in front of him on his desk. Remember what happened last championship? Elias stated. The last one? Oh, the Cherry Stone Junior Championships? I think so. We got word. You were disqualified. Therefore, you're also being kicked out of the academy because we can't keep losers here. This is too expensive. What? No, Tilly exclaimed, panicked. I'm sorry, Tilly. You need to pack your bags. Megan is taking you to the airport tomorrow afternoon. Megan stood behind him with her hands behind her back as she moved in agreement. No, please, I have to say, she frowned as Elias and Megan glared at her. Okay, thank you for letting me know. Tilly put her head down and walked out of the office. There you go.
That's sad.
What do you mean that's sad?
Well, for one, we don't accept losers here. Seriously, who says that?
That part I just added. I'm not really done yet. What I do is I write the basic sentences and then I add on to that. Like, day after day, you know what I mean?
I made an alt account. And
You did not.
I did. And I picked Brooklyn, Water Star, I think it was. And it came with Pauline.
You should have done Brooke Wintermountain.
And it was Pauline. And it came up with Pauline Polarly. And I'm like, I did not ask for this. But it got the horse's name right. And I'm like, of course it got the horse's name right.
Can I leave now? Like, I'm trying to watch Barbie A Fairy Secret.
No, you cannot leave. No.
Fuck you, I'm leaving.
Oh, fuck you too.
Hang up.
No, I'm not hanging up. You can.
Hang up, Brooke.
No, Fiona Winterground.
I'll tickle you with the feather, Brooke. Hang up, Brooke.
I'm not hanging up. You hang up.
Asshole.
Okay. Good job, Fiona. Alright, well, I'm gonna end this video right here. Goodbye, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was literally just randomness because I'm bored. So, enjoy. Goodbye. Goodbye.